The purpose of retirement is to unwind and relish life without stressing over money. But for some, the idea of not having a daily activity can feel a little empty. If you're someone who likes to stay busy, there is plenty of fun and low-stress jobs out there that can help you make extra cash without a ton of effort. These retirement side gigs might even surprise you with how much they pay. Watch this video if you're thinking about ways to make money on the side after retirement. If you're ready to keep active and earn, keep watching until the end. Give Luxo-Life some love, and let's begin. Number 9 is becoming a respondent or survey taker, and it's an easy way to make some extra money without much effort. As a respondent, you'll be taking consumer surveys for companies who want to know what people think about their products or services. This is perfect if you're looking for a simple way to earn a little cash on the side. No experience required. It's a flexible gig that you can do from home, at your own pace. While you won't make a full-time income from this, it's great for earning some pocket money when you have some free time. The surveys are quick, and you get paid for sharing your honest opinions. 8. Transcriptionist. If you have great listening and typing skills, becoming a transcriptionist could be a fantastic way to earn extra money. As a transcriptionist, your job is to listen to audio recordings, like interviews or meetings, and type them out word for word. It's a skill that requires focus and attention to detail, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. Plus, it's a job that you can do from the comfort of your home, making it a perfect side gig for retirees or anyone looking to make some extra cash. The key to success in transcription is having the right tools. You don't need anything fancy. Just some basic software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs to type out your transcripts. These programs will allow you to work quickly and efficiently, so you can send your transcripts out as soon as you're done. As long as you keep accuracy in mind, transcription can be a smooth process, and the more you practice, the better and faster you'll get at it. One of the best things about transcription is that you can work at your own pace. You can take on as many or as few jobs as you want, and you can do it whenever it fits into your schedule. Whether you're looking for something to fill a few free hours each week or want a more consistent income, transcription is flexible and can fit your lifestyle. Plus, you'll be helping companies with a job they need done, which always feels rewarding. 7. Online tutor. If teaching is something you're passionate about, online tutoring could be a fantastic way to make money while helping others. The great thing about tutoring online is that you can do it from home, so there's no need to deal with traffic or bad weather. Whether you're an expert in a specific subject or just love to teach, this flexible job allows you to work from anywhere, making it a perfect side hustle or even a full-time gig. One of the biggest perks of being an online tutor is the ability to set your own hours. You can teach as much or as little as you want, and you have the freedom to schedule your lessons around other priorities like family, exercise, or personal time. It's a great way to balance work with everything else going on in your life. And that flexibility is something a lot of people love about tutoring. Online tutors are in demand for students of all ages and levels, so there's plenty of opportunity to find a niche that works for you. Whether you're teaching kids basic math, helping adults with language skills, or offering more advanced lessons, the options are endless. And because online platforms make it easy to connect with students, you can teach people from all over the world, which makes it even more exciting. 6. Digital marketer. You can also make money as a digital marketer, which is a great option for retirees looking for flexibility. Digital marketing or online marketing is all about promoting products or services online. The best part, You don't have to be a tech expert to get started. With the right tools and a bit of learning, you can start making money in this field, whether you're looking for a part-time gig or something more full-time. One of the biggest benefits of digital marketing is that it's beginner-friendly. You don't need years of experience or an advanced tech background to get into it. There are plenty of resources and tutorials available to help you get up to speed, and many digital marketing tasks are easy to pick up once you start practicing. So if you've always wanted to learn something new but weren't sure where to start, digital marketing might just be the perfect fit. Another reason it's great for retirees is the flexibility. You can work from home and you can choose your own hours. Whether you want to work a few hours a week or go full-time, the choice is yours. This makes it easier to fit into your schedule and balance with other aspects of your life, like family time, hobbies, or simply relaxing. 5. Virtual assistant. Our fifth is one of the most flexible and in-demand jobs you can do from home. Becoming a virtual assistant, also known as an online personal assistant or executive assistant. This job involves helping businesses or individuals with various tasks, such as scheduling, emails, and managing social media accounts. It's an ideal job if you enjoy organizing and are looking for a way to make money from home. A great way to get started as a virtual assistant is by setting up your own business. You can market yourself on freelance websites like Upwork or Fiverr, where you can offer services like writing blog posts, editing photos or videos, if you have Photoshop skills, or handling administrative work. The beauty of being a virtual assistant is that you get to decide which tasks you want to specialize in, making it a great fit for people with different skill sets. Some companies also hire part-time virtual assistants through staffing agencies, especially if they don't need someone full-time. If you're not interested in going the self-employed route, this could be a perfect option. Just make sure that the company understands exactly what the job entails so you can avoid any confusion. There are a lot of opportunities out there, and you can choose the one that works best for you. Whether you decide to work for yourself or with a company, being a virtual assistant can be a rewarding and flexible job. It allows you to set your own hours and work from home, all while helping others with tasks they may not have time for. If you enjoy staying organized and want to help others be more productive, this could be the perfect fit for you. 4. Social media consultant. Becoming a social media consultant is a fantastic way to make money from home, especially for retirees who are looking to stay active and engaged. If you're familiar with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, this job could be a perfect fit. As a consultant, you'll help businesses or individuals improve their social media presence, from creating content to managing campaigns. It's a role that taps into your creativity and communication skills, while also offering flexibility. One important thing to keep in mind is that being a social media consultant requires a solid understanding of how different platforms work and what type of content works best on each one. You'll need to be able to work remotely with clients, and while it's a flexible job, you might find yourself putting in long hours to ensure your clients get the results they want. If you're someone who enjoys the fast-paced nature of social media and can dedicate the time, it can be a rewarding gig. 3. Health coach. If you believe that health is wealth, becoming a health coach could be the perfect career choice for you. This job is all about helping people make positive lifestyle changes to improve their overall well-being. Whether it's guiding someone to quit smoking, helping them manage chronic conditions like diabetes, or supporting them on their fitness journey, a health coach plays an essential role in transforming lives. Health coaching is a growing field, and it's still relatively new, meaning there's plenty of room to get in on the action. With more and more people looking for guidance on how to live healthier lives, health coaching is becoming an in-demand profession. If you have a background in health or a strong passion for wellness, you could make a real difference while earning a good living. As a health coach, you'll work closely with clients to create personalized plans that address their specific needs. This could include setting fitness goals, improving their diet, or helping them manage stress. It's a job that requires empathy and great communication skills, as you'll be supporting clients through their health journeys every step of the way. Plus, it's incredibly rewarding to see the positive impact you can have on someone's life. 2. Travel blogger. If you're someone who likes to travel and explore new places, becoming a travel blogger could be the perfect fit for you. Imagine getting paid to see the world. Travel blogging allows you to do what you love while earning money on the side. It's one of the most freeing and fun jobs, especially if you're retired and looking for a way to make some extra income. Plus, it offers flexibility. You can work from anywhere while experiencing new cultures, landscapes, and adventures. But travel blogging isn't just about writing down your thoughts on your latest trip. There's much more to it than that. A good travel blogger also shares captivating photos and videos of their experiences. These visuals help bring your stories to life and keep your audience engaged. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, or your personal blog, your content can be shared across multiple platforms to reach more people. The more creative and engaging your posts, the larger your audience will grow. In addition to sharing your travel stories, you can also make money through affiliate marketing. This means promoting products or services on your blog or social media, and if someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. For example, if you share a link to a hotel or travel gear that you recommend, and someone clicks on it and makes a purchase, you get paid. This is a fantastic way to boost your income, especially if you're already sharing your experiences with your followers. 1. Handyman. Lastly, becoming a handyman is a great way to earn extra income, especially in retirement. Handymen are essential for all sorts of home repairs, from fixing a leaky faucet to replacing broken windows. It's a job that will always be in demand because homeowners and businesses will always need help with things like plumbing, electrical work, or appliance repairs. If you have the skills or are willing to learn, this could be a profitable and fulfilling way to spend your time. One of the best ways to build a successful handyman business is to offer a variety of services. You don't have to limit yourself to just one type of repair. By offering a wide range of services, like carpentry, electrical work, painting, and plumbing, you can increase your chances of attracting more customers. However, you could also consider specializing in one area, like kitchen or bathroom remodeling, which could allow you to charge more for your expertise. Word of mouth is incredibly powerful when it comes to getting handyman jobs. By delivering high-quality work and great customer service, you can build a strong reputation in your community. Satisfied clients will spread the word, which could lead to more opportunities for you. Make sure you're doing a great job every time, and don't forget to ask happy customers for referrals. This simple strategy can help you grow your business organically. In today's digital world, it's also important to market your handyman services online. You can reach more potential customers by using social media, online advertising, and word of mouth through networking. Just be sure to price your services fairly, making sure not to undervalue your work. Keep learning new techniques and tools so that your skills remain sharp. And those are the 9 awesome retirement jobs. If you're ready to start your next chapter and make the most of your retirement, one of these could be the perfect fit for you. Be sure to check out more tips and ideas right here on Luxo-Life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For all the Luxo lovers out there, stay tuned for more inspiring content. Let's keep making retirement the best time of our lives. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.